Yeah, this is the dirt road. Coming up to the dirt road, we're still on the bitumen, and the dirt road happens now. And yeah, we're going down the snake road. We are. Whether we see a snake or not, I don't know. I'll make this longer. There we go. Yep. This is the bush and the tree where the snake lives, the big brown one. But obviously he's not there. Well, it could be, but I doubt it. Yep. Getting warm. It's a beautiful day. It's going to be, according to the Weather Bureau, 25 degrees today. And it feels like it might get there too. It's a beautiful, warm day. In the house, it's still cold. The house still hasn't, because the mornings, it was 8 degrees overnight, so we get a seriously cool night. That, mind you, at the 8 degrees is the warmest overnight we've had. It's been like 3 and 5, that kind of thing. So we've had 8 degrees overnight, and then it builds up to a nice warm day, today anyway. So we'll just see. But it is a beautiful day for a walk down a dirt road with much trepidation, because the snakes are moving. And I haven't come down here much at all because of the snake situation, because this historically is a spot. I mean, people run their dogs down here and they won't do it during the summertime. So, what am I doing? Never mind. Anyway, we're down here and it's a beautiful morning. Now look, for the week I've done 49 kilometers. So the only reason I'm down this road is the OCD kicked in and I've got to do 50. So actually what I'm going to do is go down to the Ford and come back, and that'll be 51, and that'll do it. Today's Sunday. We don't need a lot of stuff. I'm just looking down the road and I can see something down there, but I haven't I can't make out what. It's not a snake. I can't make out actually what it is. We will find out. It is. You don't want to pick these up too, because it could be booby-trapped by a reptile. Yeah, someone's just thrown. Oh, do you believe that? Someone's just thrown their bag, an insulated Aldi bag is what it is, and it can stay there. I'm picking it up. Yeah, they're just, some people, we pick up a lot of stuff along here. When the railway workers are out over there, all this road gets trashed with McDonald's and Kentucky Fried and all that rubbish they just throw. Just picture it out there, out of their windows. Oh well, we clean it up. I don't know, there are other people clean up their areas of town too. With the magpies still fighting over the food. Mind you, the bin chickens, the ibis, have gone. But the weather has turned, and they said it wasn't going to rain. And I don't know about you, I can smell rain. Can you smell rain? Yeah.
It is raining.
It is. It's spitting a bit. And Mrs. Mac is out there with the push mower. She's cutting some grass for the chooks. But yeah, so it's up and down sort of weather. Yesterday was, yeah, not bad. Today is like this. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed that last video I did on the chainsaw. I've been meaning to do that for a while. It's been just over 12 months since we bought that thing, and really pleased with it. Don't want to go raving on too much about it, but yeah, for 200, what was it? I had a look up on the website too. It's $229 now. I think it was 220 when I bought it 12 months ago, so I haven't gone up that much. Yeah, oh, the wind feels like it's straight off the Antarctic. Can't believe it. It is cold as. And we're supposed to be getting about 20 degrees today. Yeah, the sun is out, but the wind. Oh, mother-in-law's breath. Holy heck. Well, we're approaching home, and we're approaching just on 8 kilometres for the morning. That's been good. We did 16 kilometres yesterday. That was a bit too much. So we'll go out later on in the afternoon and do another 4. That's where I want to be. Anyway, we won't show you that, but look, thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Okay? We'll catch up in our next video. See you then.